The people of Katakwi have sided.
President Museveni nagira ngo mu kirere kwija naza kukora enguto zo n'umucanga cya Teso no kureba uzabo bona bari gukora imirimo y'ebishobobo eka leta zasisikaraho naho General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yabashagatirwa bebembezo mu kibina kurwo mucanga cya Teso kandi bamukwase ngabo icumu n'entebe nk'akamanyiso ko kumuhasirira gumiza munati Ageihangwe.
President of peace and stability. Our president is the president of peace and stability. Thank you, Your Excellency. The general is trying and showing you his capability in the area of defense.
Museveni yabashagatirwa mukazi we Mama Janet Museveni kandi nagira ngo ubu nubwo bwira abanya-Uganda kurinda obusinjo bine bari kushagika president. Mama Janet yashaba bateso kureka kwebaganisa mwabwe byo butegeki.
Madam President and the NRM government have also been used of God to build a strong foundation of peace, of unity, that has brought about the stability we see in our country. Therefore, we must all straighten out our hands and hold hands together as NRM and bring more of Ugandans who are not in NRM, because as we become strong, as we become more of us, we become stronger. Don't look at those who are outside of NRM as enemies. They might have not heard yet what NRM is doing for our country.
Abebembezo muri Teso basima President Museveni kandi baraganisa kumuha obushagiki.
We are deeply humbled and greatly honored by your presence among us, Your Excellency. This large and enthusiastic gathering has assembled to witness your presidential campaign ahead of 2026 general elections and to reaffirm their unwavering support for you as the most capable leader to protect and consolidate the gains achieved under the NRM government.
I would like to thank you because the democracy that you have showed over the years to our country has produced results including economic stability, political stability, and military stability.
President Museveni yaraganisa kwata abo bona bari gukora imirimo y'ebishobobo kandi obwo government iri kubetiraho sente nyamwingi.
Now when you examine in Teso here, the economic infrastructure, you can see the road all the way to Moroto, the road to Rira, we now intend to work on the road. There's a road which we must work on. There are roads like from Katine to Ochero. But there's a road which we shall work on from Soroti, Amuria, Obaranga, Achanpi, on to Otuke, and so on.
Nshonga y'amashanyarazi n'amizi Museveni yajya unaenda buri cyaro kutunga amizi go mudumo go gukoresha mu maka kandi akabatero na go gukoresha mu kuhinga no kurisa.
Katakwi has got 550 villages.
Ni Katakwi ijake de chaloi alangsa baraka nyaksakany, but Your Excellency, there are 629.
Well, I don't know. I'm using my file here.
Okay.
550 villages. According to this file, 342 of them have got, I think, boreholes. This is 52%. So there's another 208 villages which don't have a borehole each. And in the coming government, the plan is to make sure that each village gets a borehole.
Abyamagara n'ebyobwegyese Museveni yajanga urugombora neza kurebeka ngo yatunga ishomero rya secondary n'amarwaro kandi naza kutungura amarwaro aharengo rwa health center ya kabiri gaza health center ya kashatu hamwe ne ya kana. Nyenchakare President Museveni aja kumuro mu kushera akaruuru kandi izoba ryo kubanza naza kwa ryo mu district ya Serere hamwe ne ya Soroti.
Yalamano, Your Excellency, we wish you journey mercies.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Continue to protect you